So we reached the halfway point of the railway excursion, and we end up here at the it's called the Young's High Bridge, and it was built over the Kentucky River. Down below you can't really see it, in 1889. And way over there you see that is the Wild Turkey Distillery. We're here at the end of Woodford County, which, if you know of Woodford Reserve, that distillery is in the same county. Obviously, the bridge is no longer operable. I know I wouldn't go over it. So they rebuilt it. It goes 1,659 feet and is about 285 feet above the river down below. It's beautiful. Of course, there's the new bridge that the cars run across, but no rails.